So we're dropping in. Okay, these are 64 inches long. They weigh in at about 63 and a quarter as far as the length goes. And then they are about 32 inches in height. So we started with our ledger board for the obvious, all right, because we're getting the floor done at the end of the day as we walk out while we're sitting here, working all day in the shower. So we're killing two birds with one stone. With that being said, a lot of times, and I know we've told you how we do it, a lot of times we set, the back wall first, then we set this tile next to it so that we can plumb that, right? And then we would set this one over here so we could plumb that one to the back wall. That's a lot of times how we keep those pinstripe lines. Well, all the time, that's how we keep them. So what I want to show you this time that's a little different. Me and Tom get creative when tiles get huge, large. I mean, these are massive. We have miters we're doing over here to wrap around this wall. So my point is it's a lot of time. So we wanted to make the back wall on left side. We wanted to go on and get that done. But then that just contradicted the rule I was telling you about. So all our cutouts are over here, all our time, all our miters, everything's over here. So this is how we went about this install. We set the back one, we set this one. Then we did actually stage something over here. I'll show you in a second. Then we set this one, we set this one to keep the line, so on and so on. We did stage over here to protect that line, and this is what I'm trying to show you. So it's easy to dictate and get this perfect line. Okay, it's 1/8 of an inch. Everything holds itself. There's no cupping, or very minimal. I mean, the line is beautiful. This is exactly what you want for your silicone application. Okay, because it's going to go in that line all the way, fill up, and balloon out here back at you. So as it is sitting here, kind of mounded up right here, that's when we hit it with the sprayway ever so slightly. Then when we start at the bottom and push in, as we go up, there's none of that sprayway getting in behind, getting this wet and causing our edges to fray. So that's why we go to the trouble of pinstriping these lines. It's another detail. It's another thing in the shower that you want to show off with all this, everything else, all this details, all this work you're putting into it. The last thing you want to do is have some jagged corners over here, having the tiles touch, anything like that, and think you're just going to cut a tip on a corner and spread it right over that and it's going to look good. So that's one way. But dealing with the large format tile, you're kind of time sensitive as far as moving all this stuff. So this is what we're talking about. This is why we stage this. We wanted that perfect, put in play. And then here you go. See how that's perfect? Matches identically. But look. Tom. So they're just cheap pieces. Matter of fact, they're the pieces that we cut off for the back wall here. And the reason we did that is because if we just put this in, okay, put this in, everything was plumb. Everything was great. Looking over here, we can actually see plumb on the level, but cupping and everything else that comes with large format, if you blindly put this in and plumb this corner and everything looks good, when you go to set this tile the next day, that line is not going to look like that. So this is the point. We set these in here and stage them to keep that pinstripe line because this is set. Now, here it is the next morning. We're going to take these off because think about it. These are our hardest cuts to make. And the wand is right here. So the wand, the foot niche, and this all has to come out of one tile and the wraparound miter. So that's why we broke this job up like this, but did not lose any of our detail work. We didn't want to go to all this trouble to have this corner look crappy. So now when we take this stage stuff off and we go to fit all this, miter this, that's going to be beautiful as well. It didn't hold us up. It didn't stress us out. We got, half of this shower done in one rip. And now we're able to achieve the other one because this is going to wrap all the way around the corner. So we want this really pretty. We want the vane work to come through, line up, beautiful Vigo doors, you know, just everything considered. So I just wanted to share that with you. Curveball, if you will. And we're going to go ahead and put all this into play, and then we're going to show you what we're talking about.